Robert back here. Welcome to another edition of the Coffee Challenge. I felt like running some kerosene this morning. It's cold, really cold. Got 111 burning kerosene. It throws out quite a bit of heat, and my 237 lantern throws out quite a bit of heat. So it was just a kerosene morning. Okay, this morning I'm not completely out of my Sam's roasted yet, but it's almost gone. I think I got enough for one more pot in it, but man, I had a hankering to try this Black Rifle Silencer Smooth. So they said we tear into this. I had grabbed my knife to open this bag with. I got to looking just before I did. This thing's got a little zip here. Not really a zip, but I guess that'll open it. Okay, I got just about 4 cups water in my vacuum pot. That'd be plenty enough. Probably a little much. Boy, it's cold out here. I put that pot on there and put a little more pressure in this thing. Now, that's a roar. That ought to bring us to a quick boil. Well, watch the top of the pot. I can see it sinking. It's working now. She's ciphering. See, the ground's getting wet. Kind of like quicksand. Here we go. Action. Table's not level, so I rotated that coffee pot so we can get that boiling water through all the grounds. We'll just let that cool down and we'll have coffee. Tell you what, that burner head of that stove is holding heat. She's still boiling down there, so let me set this off. Oh, there it goes. Just going to set that pot off onto a piece of leather. That's gonna be some good coffee, let me tell you. Alright, y'all seen the action. Let me stop this and get my cup ready. Okay. Let's see what this silencer smooth by the Black Rifle Coffee Company is all about. And kind of wasn't a fair advantage. Should have tried it in a regular percolator or coffee pot first. But I did try it in the Pyrex, and man, that Pyrex, I mean, it's got a taste of its own. I mean, it's different. I mean, you don't have no plastic heating up, no metal heating up. I mean, it's all glass. You get the one little chain and spring that hangs from the bottom that opens and closes the plunger. The plunger is made out of glass. Filters itself. I mean, there's no paper, nothing to pick up taste. Oh man, I ain't gonna lie, that's probably one of the best cups I've had in a while. Sorry, Sam. If you see this, if Jason shows you this, you got some pretty good coffee, but it's pretty smooth. I do have enough for another pot from Sam's Coffee. I gotta try that in that vacuum pot. I mean, I bet that'd be good. And oh man, just thinking about it. Hey, I don't know if y'all have seen Marshman Hill's videos. If y'all not subbed to him, y'all need to get on over there. I watched a video of his. Sorry, I had to get another drink. Cold out here. Anyway, put up a video yesterday, the day before. He's going to the Central Kentucky Bushcraft meet, David's meet down in Harrodsburg, Kentucky. And we're going to be doing different classes and things. I'll be down there doing the bow drill. And there are different classes going on. And he asked if James wanted to do anything, and he said sure. He said he wanted to do a coffee challenge. So he's going to host a coffee challenge contest. He's going to have different people make coffee, see who can make the best coffee. Guess who gets to be the judge? Hey, I get a setback. Have y'all deliver me coffee? Don't have to make it myself. Hey, that's going to be cool, pretty cool. Okay, this cup's got to go out to somebody. I guess since James done made me a judge, you're going to get me all this free coffee. James, this cup's for you, buddy. Okay, y'all know the routine. Like, share, subscribe. God bless.